And so here we are for part 2 of the Chapter 1 Excel tutorial. And you can see, hopefully, that I've typed in all the respective states. And I wanted to show you something. Let me move this out of the way. I have more states here than were actually asked for. You can actually see how many states. Let me show you. If you highlight, don't lift up, just look over to the left of the screen, below where it says paste, below where it says clipboard, it says 13R X1C. That means 13 rows, 1 column. All right, now why did I do so many? It asked only for a random sample of size 10. Well, I did that because of duplications. Let me show you. Michigan, look here, shows up twice. And actually, Minnesota showed up twice, and Montana showed up twice. All of those duplicates have to get gotten rid of. I don't want them technically. And you can clear them out. Let me clear out my next Michigan. And I cleared out one Minnesota, so let me clear out the other one. There we go. Now I have 10 left, and those are good. So you go larger than you need. That's because the rand between function does it with repeating, meaning it allows repetition in the sample, and we didn't really want repetition in our sample. So there we go. Now we've got a random sample. All is good. I also want you to notice down here that the label exists. You can change this. You double click down here on this little tab button, and you can type 1.3 number 11 just like that, or you can leave it 1311. Not all of them will have those labels, so it's a good idea to add them for a problem. All right, next we need to save it. So let's go to File and Save As. Now you have an option. You can save it as an Excel 97 to 2003 workbook, which is an old style workbook, or you can save it as a modern Excel 2007 workbook. Either one will be fine. It doesn't really matter to me. You just want to make sure that wherever you save it is someplace that you know where it is. For example, I'm going to save it in my 133 online folder. And I want to name it something that is smart. I want to name it something that when Alana goes to look at it to grade it, she'll know who the heck it is and what the heck it is. So I'm going to put my last name on it. And I'm going to say Chapter 1 Excel. Now, obviously, you would put your last name on it. I don't need to see my name. I know what my name is. So you would put your name on it. That way, when I look at a sheet of 30 students turning something in, I'll have some vague idea whose is whose. So let me save, enter. And you can see, there it is. Up at the top, it'll say that. I open up all the Excel files at the same time to grade them. So you want to make it easy for me to figure out whose is whose. All right, let me close this. We've done our problem. All is good. Oops, don't want to save anything there. And let me go back to Course Compass and let me click on Assignments, Excel Assignments. And I want to view and complete the Chapter 1 Excel assignment. So here it is, and it says, name some comments like, hi there, Alana. This assignment wasn't too bad at all. Smiley face. I'm just making it up. You can type whatever you like. All right, now click Browse. And you want to go find your assignment, which, let's see, mine is in my 133 folder, which is a smart idea to have a folder for your course. Tucky Chapter 1. There it is. Oops, I got to move my video thing out of the way. Sorry about that. All right, then I click Submit and say OK. Great. Now, if you go back to Assignments and go back to that assignment, it says that assignment's complete. Click OK. So I can click OK. And you can see there's the file, there's my comment, and it has this little exclamation point. What that means is that it has not been graded yet. When it gets graded, I'll put a grade in there and I might add some comments. Although generally, if they're completely correct, I don't say anything at all. So there you go. That's how to do an Excel assignment. That's your first one. More are to follow.